United Nations Convention on the Law of the Sea, Article 58, Rights and Duties of Other States in the Exclusive Economic Zone, 1. In the Exclusive Economic Zone, all states, whether coastal or landlocked, enjoy, subject to the relevant provisions of this convention, the freedoms referred to in Article 87 of navigation and overflight and of the laying of submarine cables and pipelines, and other internationally lawful uses of the sea related to these freedoms, such as those associated with the operation of ships, aircraft and submarine cables and pipelines, and compatible with the other provisions of this convention. 2. Articles 88 to 115 and other pertinent rules of international law apply to the exclusive economic zone in so far as they are not incompatible with this part. 3. In exercising their rights and performing their duties under this convention in the exclusive economic zone, states shall have due regard to the rights and duties of the coastal state, and shall comply with the laws and regulations adopted by the coastal state in accordance with the provisions of this convention, and other rules of international law in so far as they are not incompatible with this part.